Yeah, of course I am. I'm a Martin. I'm a Martin, goddammit.
You know, on Wednesdays we talk about weddings. However, this Wednesday is a little bit different. Yesterday was the US election, and it's still in the process. Ballots are still getting counted, and it's all so freaking crazy. Apparently we won't know a winner until like the 6th, but then people are saying not even then. It's just crazy, and right now I feel like weddings aren't as important as this huge life-changing moment in America. So for that, we're definitely not going into any wedding details, but I will say we got our save the dates in, and I cannot wait to share them with you all, share all the details, how we picked it, or why we picked it, how much they all cost. You know, I always throw in the cost. But I'm super, super excited to get those mailed out, to get those just going. Save the dates are in, things are progressing. Super excited. I hope y'all have the best week ever, and just remember to like love each other and be fucking nice. Like, just be fucking nice. Have some respect. Be nice. No matter who the fuck or what the fuck happens, just be fucking nice.